Little mishap here with the bail spikes for the 7410. Yeah, we're not zoomed. Anyway, what happened was this pin here, it broke. I'll just demonstrate this one here. It just broke off. They take a good abuse, quite a bit of abuse actually. But yeah, it broke off. Well, when it broke off, I was in an emergency. So what do? You improvise. I took this 3/4 inch or 7/8 inch bolt. I think it's 7/8. Pretty hard. Stuck it up in there, and of course, the down pressure broke it out. So, yeah. So I don't like the fact that that was only a half inch bolt on there that I just welded it fast at the top, and it bent, and that there is only a half inch also. So I beefed it up. I drilled her out to 5/8, and I got a piece of power takeoff shaft, which happens to be the same exact thing that the Zimmermans used when I built the thing. I didn't build that one. So I cut the power takeoff shaft off on an angle, and I'm going to weld. I could do this with my knee. I'm going to weld this 5/8 inch bolt to the top of that power takeoff shaft. Now it's only mild steel. It's nothing, not spring steel or anything. At least I don't think it is. But anyways, that 5/8 inch bolt ought to really take up the slack there. Okay. Come on. It's time to clean the shop. It's pretty bad out here. Okay, I got it all cleaned up. Yeah, a little bit of flux still deep in there, but all in all, not a bad weld. Not a bad weld at all. I mean, it ain't great. It looks like crap, but it will hold. So anyways, this is how this thing goes up in here. And besides, it's hotter than hell in damnation there. Oh man, you might have a little bit of a grinding, or not a grinding issue, but a bending issue going on here. So I'm going to get that thing straightened out just enough. Give her a little bit of a smack with a hammer, and we'll slide it up in there. Okay, there it is. It's my little, it's a little stiff because there's no spring behind it. But that's it. It's all back together. When you want to take it off, you just pick them up and lay it on there. Now, all I have to do is weld that, and I'm golden, and I'm going to do that right now. I hate welding like this because it's so difficult, these vertical welds. So anyways, I'm going to set the camera up and you can see what kind of shenanigans I'm doing here. Maybe, maybe not. Can you see? Yeah, I think you can. What do you know? I'll tap out on the slack. The reason I did that was because there was some slag in there. And if you have slag, it makes Swiss cheese. Dale is on his way, so where's Haley Grace at? Come in here and tell you that Swiss cheese. Huh? Alright, end product. Nice and smooth. I ground it down. Really didn't come out too bad. You don't see any Swiss cheesing. I didn't grind it super nice, but it looks good for my house. Now all you do is flip that thing to the side. She drops down. It's locked in place. When you want to take it off, you just pick her up like that. Same thing on this side. Yeah, and that's it. Off to go. Yeah, next.